Dear students, today we shall discuss the questions related with the relations and functions. Yesterday we discussed the definitions of different types of functions: reflexive function, symmetric function, as well as transitive function. Dear students, actually I have started the classes with the students and I am just posting the videos because I did the work for more than 27 years in Navodaya Vidyalaya and actually total service 37 years. Actually in between the students my whole life, that is used. Now I have started the classes and posting the videos nowadays. Actually without the student, because I worked in touch with the students for more than 27 years or 37 years, that is why I decided to do the work once again for the welfare of the students, so that the students maximum will be benefited. I did a lot of work day and night with the students of Navodaya Vidyalaya, and that is why once again I want that the students will be benefited from my knowledge. That is why once again the classes I am just going to start with effect from 22nd February 2025 in the colony Uttam Bihar, behind the gym, gully number, street number, that is 9, and in Saharanpur. If you want to contact with me, I am just going to tell you my contact number 6397561823, and I do hope that from my work the maximum students will be benefited. Now I am going to discuss some questions related with the relations and functions. My dear students, I will try my level best the procedure so that you will understand properly. Actually nowadays I started some posting the videos so that because examination is very near and the student, some student might be facing some problems in this first chapter, student feel very difficult. That is why I decided to do some work for the student in this chapter. That is why I discussed the definition of relations and functions. One more thing I want to tell you before before taking the questions, that mathematics is very simple. You can make it easy, but the student feel that is very difficult. No, it is not difficult, because first of all you learn the definition, try to understand the definition, try to understand the concept of that particular topic and formula. If you understand the formula as well as the definition, then after you practice the simple question. Even though you generate some questions related with that particular definition as well as formula. Approximately 4 or 5 questions you practice related with that particular formula or definition. If you practice simple questions, then you go to difficult question, because difficult, that is the combination of difficult question, that is the combination of simple question, and simple questions already you solve. That is why you can solve the difficult question. Questions are not difficult. That is the combination of some simple questions. That is why I am telling you mathematics is very simple. That is my concept, and that concept I will prove here in some questions. Not only in some questions, frequently I will prove it on the board. But with full concentration, you will have to understand the concept, and if you will be having the doubts, you also can discuss with me on my chat box. You put your problem, question, definitely I will give the response either on the board or in the classroom, and definitely you will be benefited. And if the students wants to come in my class, which I am just going to start, as I told you, from 22nd of February, then you may come. And I will start the classes from 9 to 12. Class 9, 10, 11, 12, first of all, in the beginning. And because that is my ambition that maximum students should be benefited from my work and from my labor. I will try my level best so that the student will be benefited. Now, my dear student, let me take the question. For example, because I will write the question. Prove that the relation on the set I am just going to indicate it by A, as I told you earlier, 1, 2, 3. Actually, when I discuss the definition, I have taken in place of 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, similar kind of thing. That is why I have taken here 1, 2, 3. And you will have to write the universal relation. To write the universal relation, I have drawn a simple diagram to understand the universal relation, my dear students, so that you will understand properly. Similarly, here also I will draw the diagram. Because by this diagram, I do hope that all of you will understand properly the relation. I will prove here, first of all, whether the relation is reflexive. If it will be reflexive, then after we will say that we will prove it will be symmetric. And if it will be symmetric, then we will prove it should be transitive. And definitely universal relation will be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Definitely that universal relation will be the equivalence relation. That is why I have taken this example. And by taking this relation, universal relation, even you can generate different type of questions which generally comes in the CBSE examination, asked in the CBSE examination. You can sometimes, it may ask in the examination, you give the example of the relation which will be reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. All types of questions you can generate by using this. That is why you concentrate over here and try to understand this example. Let me take, as I told you on that day, by this diagram, 1, first of all you write 1, 1, and then 1, 2, and then 1, 3. Similarly here, 2, 1, and 2, 2, and 2, 3. Okay, similarly here, 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3. On that day I told you that reflexive relation, just to understand I have drawn this diagram. Please try to understand. I am just going to draw this diagram because it will make it easy to understand this problem. You see, 1 is related with 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related with 3. And all these 3 orders where lies on the diagram. And universal relation, that is to be denoted by R. Let me write the universal relation. I am just going to start from here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and then 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3. I think it is very simple. Easy you will write the universal relation by taking the set A. Elements of set A, 1, 2, 3. You see, what is the meaning of 1, 1? 1 is related to 1. As brother is related to sister, mother is related to father. Like that, you can generate the relation, which we have studied in the previous classes. Now we go to the universal relation. This is the universal relation. Okay? And this relation definitely reflection. Because 1, 2, 3, these are the elements of set A. And 1, 1 is here, 2, 2 is here, 3, 3 is here. That is why it is reflection relation. Let me write first of all reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. Once again, my dear student, to understand, try to understand. You see, I am just going to write 1 belongs to R. In continuation, you can write 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 belongs to R. But I am writing here separately all these things. 2, 2 also belongs to R. Similarly, 3, 3 also belongs to R. For all you must have to write 1, 2, 3 belongs to A. You must have to write, otherwise the marks will be deducted. Because whenever the question asked in the CBSE examination, that divided into different steps. And for each step, the marks allotted separately. That is why you write. If you will not write this thing, 1 for all. For all means for every. 1, 2, 3 belongs to A set. All these must belong to set A. Then only you can discuss the universal relation, otherwise no. And other relations also, reflexive relation. Then you can say that R is reflection. R is reflection. That is very simple. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. If suppose, you see, it will not be reflection. Suppose 1, 1 is here, 2, 2 is here, and 3, 3 does not belong to R, that will not be reflexive relation. Because 1, 2, 3, 3 is also the member of set A, element of set A. That is why I think you understand the reflexive relation. Similarly, we shall prove whether this relation, universal relation, it is the symmetric or not. My dear students, that I have taken the example and I will prove reflexive, symmetric and transitive relation. And I told you that by using this example, you can generate a number of questions which generally asked in the CBSE examination. See, symmetric relation. Symmetric. Try to understand. I told you reflexive 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. These lie on the straight line. Diagonal. Now, let me take, suppose first element 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2. You see belongs to R. It is here. 1, 2 belongs to R. But implies that 2, 1 also must belong to R. If 2, 1 does not belong to R, then this relation will not be the reflexive relation. You can take any element out of these ordered pairs, and you can prove that the given relation is a symmetric relation. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2 is here, 2, 1 is also here. You see, 2, 1 is also here. 1, 2 is here, 2, 1 is here. On that day, I call it symmetric relation. Symmetric relation, actually, you try to understand when you take a mirror, every day looking glass you take. You see your face in the looking glass, and the image of the object from the mirror will be at the same distance from mirror to object. Same distance. Then you can say that myself, object and image will be symmetrical with respect to the mirror. Like that you can understand the symmetrical relation. Same thing you see, 1, 2 is here and 2, 1 is also here. See the same relation from this middle line, diagonal. That is why 1, 2, 2, 1, these are symmetrical with respect to this line. Next, other elements also you can say. 1, 3. Suppose you take 1, 3. 1, 3 you take belongs to R. Implies that 3, 1 also must belong to R. Otherwise, it will not be the symmetric relation. You see 1, 3. 1, 3 is here. 3, 1 is also here. You see 1, 3. See the distance. This one and 3, 1. 1, 3 is here. 3, 1 is here. You see the distance is same with respect to the diagonal. That is why it is a symmetric relation. Similarly, you can prove, you can write the other ordered pairs also, other relations. You see, suppose 2, 3. 2, 3, you see, this is 2, 3. 2, 3 belongs to R. 3 2 must also belongs to R. 3 2 2 3 is here, 3 2 is also 3 2 3. You see, and you see distance 3 distance you see from this point this point. This will be same with respect to this. That is why here I am just going to write for these all elements I am just going to write for all 1 2 3 belongs to A. You must have to write this one, otherwise half marks will be deducted. Marks will go. From there we go to this order pillars. That is why from this set we have taken the elements. That is why you must write for each and every one, this one, this one, this one. Similarly, not only this thing, other elements also you can write. Here we have taken only a few things. You see the other things, that is why you can do that the relation with the symmetric relation. Similarly, transitive relation, let us take. Similarly, in a similar way, transitive relation. Here also you can write R is the reflection. Here you can write R is symmetric. Now, the transitive relation. Just to understand, it is not given in any book. Just to understand, because it shouldn't feel difficult to understand what is the transitive relation. But from this diagram, I will say, if these form the triangular form, then it will be the transitive relation. You see, let me take the example. Suppose 1 3 belongs to R. See carefully, concentrate over here. 1 3 is here, 1 3, and I am going to take 3 1. 3 1 is also here, comma 3 1 belongs to R. Implies that, carefully see my dear students, I have taken 1 3 belongs to R, 3 1 belongs to R, 1 3 belongs to R, and 3 1 also belongs to R. Then first I will take the first element and the last element of both the relations. 1 1 also belongs to R. Yes, there you see 1 1 belongs to R. 1 3 3 1 1 1 belongs to 1 3 3 1. You see the diagram. 1 3 is here, 3 1 is here, 1 1 is here. You see, this is the triangle. This forms the triangle. Form the triangle. That is why it is transitive. For all 1 2 3 belongs to A. Not only this thing, you also can take the other elements also. Not only 1 3, you take 1 2. 1 2. I have taken just before I discussed 1 2 2 1. 1 2 2 1 also is also there. 1 1 is also there. You can take any relation, any order pair you can take. That will be the term. That is why the relation is transitive. Here I will write relation is transitive. You can take the other examples. Here I will take 1 3. 1 2 you take. 1 2 you take. 2 3 you take. 2 3. For the transitive relation, 2 3 belongs to R. And next you see 2 3. Then 3 1. Take 3 1. 3 1 belongs to R. Implies that 2 3 3 2 in continuation. 2 1. You see whether 2 1 belongs to R or no. 2 1. Yes, 2 1 is also here. That is why by discussing these examples, we can say that the R is relation is transitive. My dear students, what I told you, first of all, you remember the definition, then formula. As per the definition and formula, you practice the simple questions. Then go to difficult questions. Automatically you will understand the difficult question, because it is the combination of the simple questions. That is why you see relation is reflexive, very simple. Relation is symmetric. Relation is transitive. Automatically you can say that it is a equivalence relation. Otherwise it will not be the equivalence relation. If the relation is not reflexive, symmetric, it is transitive, it will not be the equivalence relation. relation. Equivalence relation. Similarly, you must have to give the examples of different types of relations. Different types of relations. Okay. Let me take the example from this universal relation. I think you might be understand, my dear student, if you feel easy to understand this difficult topic, students feel that it is very difficult topic. First topic is very difficult in class 12. No, it is not difficult. You can make it easy by using the proper definition and proper formula. And that is why you see, if you understand it, then you forward it again. Otherwise, you give me the consent that if you feel any difficulty, that I will try to overcome that difficulty related with the relations and function. Now we are going to take different examples from this universal relation. Okay, let me take one example. One example let me take from here. And you will have to see, try to understand. I will just explain it. Let me take the example so that relation I am just going to write the relation 1 1 2 2 3 3 and 1 2 1 2 3 2 is an reflexive, but neither symmetric nor transitive. This relation, but on the set I'm just going to write 1 2 3. Otherwise the question will be incomplete. You will have to prove whether it is reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. Okay, let me take the solution. I have taken this example. I have generated this question from the universal relation. I told you a number of questions you can generate by taking the universal relation. I have taken one example. Similarly, you will also generate the examples. Okay, here I can say that relation 1 1 2 2 3 3. You see 1 1 2 2 3 3 belongs to R. 4 4 1 2 3 belongs to it is reflexive because 1 2 3. This is the set. On this set you must have to say that this relation is reflexive. 1 1 2 2 3. There is no any other pair or relation left which is not in the given relation. That is why it is reflexive. R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Similarly, this thing is we have taken reflexive. R means relation. Okay, next, let me take symmetric. You will tell me now whether the relation is symmetric or not. Because we already have discussed the things. Let me take 1 2. 1 2 belongs to R. I told you implies that 2 1 also belongs to R. But you see whether 1 2 is here, but 2 1 is here. 2 1 is here. 2 1 is not here. That is why 1 2 belongs to R, but 2 1 does not belong to R. That is why it is not a symmetric. R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Similarly, let me take one more example to discuss whether this relation is transitive or not. Let me take the transitive. Transitive relation. In the transitive relation, you see 1, 2 belongs to let me take here this thing 2, 3 so that we can understand. 1, 2 belongs to 1, 2 belongs to R. Next 2, 3 also belongs to R. Implies that 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 3 is here. You see, 1, 3 is here or not? 1, 3 is not here. Does not belong to R. 4, 1, 2, 3 belongs to A. Belongs to A. That is why this relation is reflexive, but neither symmetric nor you can write as R is reflexive, but neither symmetric nor transitive. Yes, students, some more examples we can discuss in the next video, and try to understand the simple example. I think this topic will be clear because in your syllabus in class 12 in the CBSE it is given only the relation in function and operation. Function 1, 1 on 2, 1, 1 on 2. Other functions are not there. That is why you try to understand so that you will not commit the mistake to find out the solution of the question related with the relation and function. I do hope that all of you will cooperate me so that I can do better work for you. I am just going to start the classes for 9, 10, 11, 12 for the new session with effect from 22nd of February. Address I already told you, in Uttam Bihar, Gali number 9 behind the gym, Saharanpur. You may contact with me at my contact number 6397561823. Thank you.